Hi, this is Gina Nichols at Fulenwider Dodge in Eastland, Texas, 817-845-6398. I am in a 2023 Dodge Charger RT, and I wanted to show you a how-to video on how to adjust the sound when you're driving. So as you speed up, the volume goes up, and when you slow down, it comes down. Okay, from your radio control right here, you've already got it on the radio. You're going to go to this button right here that says audio and then speed adjustment volume. Right now this is set for off. You can put it on 3, and that way it's going to be the loudest the faster you go, and then as you slow down it will start to decrease. You can also adjust your equalizer or the balance or fade. If you want the music louder in the rear or in the front, and you can adjust that here according to how you want it. If you have any questions, please give me a call. Again, it's Gina, 817-845-6398. Thank you.